Do you guys want to be safe at home, protecting your family? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with another unboxing and review video. This one's going to be for a very small box, but it's very important as well. California law, I don't know about other states, but California, you are required to have a carbon monoxide, at least one or two, depends on the square footage of your house. I know for renters, and also probably for the transfer of sale, don't quote me on that one, but renters I know for sure. I'm in Colorado now, and I'm going to show you my setup, and so this is super important and super helpful. This is the XSense XC01 carbon monoxide detector. It has a high performance electrochemical CO sensor for high sensitivity, accuracy, and reliability. Extra loud buzzer with over 85 dB volume for guaranteed alarming. It's manufactured in ordnance with the UL 2034 standard. CO concentrations from 30 to 999 ppm are displayed on the LCD, and this has a high capacity sealed lithium battery for 10 years of reliable operation. And what's cool about this is I already have one set up in the room next to me, and the reason why I'm so stoked on this is because the other night I'm lighting my electric furnace and I start smelling natural gas. It's running off propane, so it lets out a little bit of that, but this is a vent free, meaning that I don't need a little vent going through the roof exit out of the room. We'll show you, of course. But I started sniffing a little bit and I was like, I need to set this up to make sure it's not producing carbon monoxide that's going to leak down the hallway from the room where y'all right here, because you do unfortunately hear of stories about deaths while people are sleeping when carbon monoxide slips in. Let's get this out of the box, show you what you got, show you my setup. All right, let's go ahead and open this on up and show you what's inside. Give you a little thank you card right there. They give you a little template for mounting, some warning instructions there, your little manual right here, mounting screws and drywall brackets right there, and then our carbon monoxide sensor right here. You do have a little seal right over the top of your LCD screen there. And on the back here, we do need to pull this for our battery, which chirps, meaning that it is fired up, ready to go. That means your battery is installed correctly. Now the CO alarm response time is 400 ppm within 4 to 15 minutes. Standby mode, the LED indicator will flash green once every 60 seconds. The alarm 4 quick indicator will flash yellow with 1 beep every 60 seconds. Fault, the alarm will deliver 2 beeps and the LED indicator will flash yellow 2 times every 60 seconds, and then has an end of life alarm as well. Maintenance, they're telling you to test it weekly by pushing the test silence button twice. So these are your vents. Here's your little LED indicator light right here. Here's your LCD monitoring. Nice thin design on the back. You do have your mounting screw holes here for hanging that. A little hard to see, but there is a battery indicator life up here in the corner. And then that 0 will register the ppm when it detects. I won't hit the test button right now because my dog is right next to me and it's super loud and that's going to affect her ears. But definitely read your instruction manual on where to mount this for your bedroom, hallway, etc. But now let's go ahead and show you where I've installed mine and show you why I installed it very quickly. So here is the room where I've installed the carbon monoxide detector, and the reason why is because, well, number one, I am right in the middle of a full house remodel, and this is an electric furnace, propane produced, powered, whatever you want to call it, by electricity to get it started, but propane fuels it. I was a little worried at first because it doesn't have any ventilation, meaning no pipe like I mentioned earlier in the video. This is safe. I just wanted to make sure. So right over my shoulder here, not too far away from it, over here on the wall, on the entryway of this door right here, you're going to have the sensor right up here. Now, obviously, for saving battery life, it doesn't detect anything, so it's not going to be showing the ppm right up there, but I have been monitoring it, and every 60 seconds it does. There we go right there. We just saw that. Flashes green. That means the power is on. So I have not permanently installed that quite yet. I've just kind of set it up there, and it's working just fine. But per the directions, go ahead and mount that in your home or your bedroom according to the directions. But it just gives me a little bit more peace of mind As this turns off, it has an automatic thermostat to it right there. Just gives me a very nice peace of mind while I'm sleeping, not to mention my dog as well. My little beautiful puppy. I want to be very careful. So when she is outside playing tomorrow, we'll go ahead and show you the test button function of this carbon monoxide, where you'll hear, probably will need to lower the volume of your speakers. Super loud, but that will wake you up, which is good, especially if it detects carbon monoxide. All right, you might want to turn down your speakers because we will be hitting the test button just to show you how loud it is. Go ahead and, if you are wondering, there is an LC. There we go right there. There is the test. And just in case, I'm going to go, yep, okay. Pass, okay, awesome, good to know. There is a blue light that does that. And so I think you just have to hold it down for a second or tap it to wake it up and then hit it once again. But it passed the test, which is nice. There is a light, which is nice. As we heard, super loud. So you definitely have no issues with that not waking you up, God forbid, carbon monoxide is detected. Again, super helpful in this situation, and not even if you have this, a fireplace, you name it. Again, guys, this same carbon monoxide detector is going to be linked in the description box below. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it intrigues you and you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out as well, it helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more awesome videos like this, and make sure you're subscribed for the full 10-acre ranch house remodel build. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Once again, your links are below. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.